Welcome everyone. We've got the Nanoleaf Canvas Starter Kit here. We're going to be unboxing it to give you an idea of what to expect when you receive your Canvas panels. If you're new here and don't know about Nanoleaf, we're a smart lighting company that pushes the boundaries of technology by creating some of the coolest products out there for your home. So let's get into it. So I've got the Canvas Starter Kit with me here with 9 light squares included inside. These are our square light panels, and my favorite thing about these is their shape. They are squares. If you're into or are familiar with pixel art, it's pretty much art made out of squares. So you can create things like 8-bit Mario or a Space Invader. So the panels also give you the ability to offset them, just like this. So you're not restricted to just having them linear with each other. Each Starter Kit comes with everything you'll need to use and set up your panels. Now, if you want to use more squares into your design, you only need 1 Starter Kit. And then you can add additional panels with our expansion pack. So this is a 4 light square expansion pack that'll work with your Canvas kit. So let's check out the back of this box where we can find a list of features along with some examples of layouts that you could have in your home here. Touch enabled, let your panels react dynamically or be controlled by your touch, even letting you play games like Canvas Crush or Whack-A-Mole. Real-time music sync lets you play rhythm scenes that'll actually dance and light up to the beat of your music. I've been playing Peaches by Justin Bieber on my panels with a light cycle rhythm scene, and it gives me the exact same vibes as the video if you've seen it. It's really cool. We've got modular lighting here to give you the ability to create whatever you like. So it's basically Lego for lights. These panels have over 16 million colors and a range of 1200 to 6500K white light temperature. We got automate your lights, use the schedule feature to have it turn on at 8 a.m. when you get up and have them turn off before you go to bed. Now we can see here the Nanoleaf app, which controls pretty much everything you do, like turning them on and off, the brightness, choosing scenes, setting schedules, downloading or creating scenes, planning your layout in augmented reality, and the list goes on. And finally, no Wi-Fi, no problem. So the set already has a bunch of pre-saved scenes installed into it. So once you have them installed, you don't even need to connect them to the app. You could just cycle through scenes and have them play like that. On the bottom of the box, you can find a short list of our smart integrations. You can control your lights with Apple HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, works with SmartThings, and also IFTTT. In addition to that, there's also a full list of our integrations that can be found on our website. So let's open it up. Once you open it up, you'll find a welcome card, and on the back, it has a few inspirations that you can make. Under that, you'll find the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide has your QR code, shows you what's inside the box, and also gives you instructions on installation. There's also a link to our online video tutorial section if you prefer more visual instructions. Under that, you'll find the control square. You'll know it's the control square because it has the buttons to control the panels on the bottom right. The control square is pretty much the brain of your shapes and lets you control the brightness, changing scenes, and it also has an on and off button. In the box to your right, you'll find your power supply, your linkers, and your mounting tape, as well as a Nanoleaf vinyl sticker. So here are the panels. As you can see, the panels are very thin and sleek with a premium strung build. And in the back, you can see the location that you would be using the linkers for, and also the sections that you would be putting the mounting tape onto. So that is everything you will find in the Canvas Starter Kit to help get you started. You can find a setup guide in the app when adding a new device to help with the mounting process, or watch our YouTube video tutorials on our channel. All right, so I just finished putting up my Canvas panels behind me. Kind of looks like a pickaxe from Minecraft. I've also gone ahead and paired the panels to my phone through the Nanoleaf app. You can pair it through your QR code or NFC tap. The process is super simple, only takes a couple minutes, and then you're all set to go. So let's get into some of the features. I've got my speaker with me, so let's put on some music paired up with a rhythm scene and see these lights dance. So I've got the rhythmic Northern Lights scene playing right now, and you can see it reacting to my voice. Let's see how it reacts to some music. Alright, so the panels react great to your voice or music that's playing, but in addition to rhythm scenes, we also have interactive scenes. And interactive scenes are pretty much games that react to your touch. Let's try Memory. And it says, tap pairs of light squares to reveal their colors. If they match, they will say. If they don't, they will return to the background color. Reveal the entire layout to win. Okay. Nope. Down there. And these three are blue. There you go. Obviously, the more panels, the tougher it'll be. So that's interactive scenes. But there's another touch feature called Touch Actions, which lets you program each panel to work as a touch reactive smart button to control any of your HomeKit products or scenes. And finally, I wanted to share my favorite feature of all, called Screen Mirror. And what Screen Mirror is basically your on-screen activity reflected onto your lights. So rather than using the mobile app, Screen Mirror is controllable using the Nanoleaf desktop app. Now that pretty much covers everything from the unboxing and what to expect from your Nanoleaf Canvas. If you aren't sure about something or need help with any of your Nanoleaf products, we have very easy to follow tutorials on our YouTube channel that cover everything from the setup process and troubleshooting. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing, as well as following us on our social media platforms to be the first to know about updates and new releases that we have to come. I'll see you guys on the next one.